Thank you for your hard work. Let's check these inputs one by one. The first one, well, this is just tags and no quotes, always has worked. The second one, well, the second one will have the quote stripped from the input, but this will not be caught by the assertion because the assertion only checks for the presence of HTML tags, and these will be removed. The third one, however, will not have the HTML tags removed, so this is the correct answer. And the last one has single quotes, and single quotes actually worked as they should be. We can verify this within our programming environment. We can add a simple test here. This is the input which should cause the assertion to fail. Press on run, and as you can see down here, the assertion actually failed. I'll leave it to you to try out the other three inputs.